right. But this coconut water fool right here. Ha ha ha. Listen, my friend. I just drank some, and I'm significantly more hydrated than you. I'm hydrated. I'm a whole lot wetter than you. People in tropical locations are never thirsty. They've discovered the miracle of coconut water. Crack. Crack. And you fill your glass up. Now, each coconut maybe contains